Alright, let's make a sunset in Blender. We just need a circle and a plane. And using only these two will make the entire sunset scene. So first delete the cube, press X and delete. Now let's add a plane, Shift A, plane. Scale this up a little bit, about this much is fine. Yeah, okay. So this will be our water, or the ocean, or sea, whatever you want to call it. So now let's add the sun. Shift A, and let's add a circle. Move this up in this direction a little bit. Alright, rotate it by 90 degrees, RY 90. Okay, so you can see this is hollow right now, so let's fill it up by going into edit mode. Okay, press F and go back to object mode again. You can also do this by pressing tab, right, like this. Okay, so we got the sun, we got the water. Now let's see how it looks in camera. Press 0 on your numpad, and as you can see it's not properly aligned, so we have to align it first. Press N, and under the view tab, what you want to do is, you see this camera to view option here? Enable it. Press N again. Now if you try to move the screen, you can see that the camera moves along with it. So you can zoom in and out, whatever, the camera will follow. Alright, so this is very handy. It's very useful to position your camera however you like. Okay, so let's make it look like a sunset here. Yeah, okay, this looks fine. Alright, and once you're happy with the position of the camera, press N again and deselect it. Press N, and now it's free to move. Okay, so we got the sun, the water, and the camera. So all that is left is to add some materials. We have to make this look like sun, this look like a water. Alright, okay, so let's go to rendered view. In here, it does not look like a sunset. Okay, so first let's delete this lamp. Okay, so let's light up the sun. Click on the sun and go to materials, new, and on the surface here it is principled BSDF. You want to make it emission. Emission means light. In case you didn't know. 30, the strength of the light. Okay, so and since it's a sunset, let's make it orange. Yeah, this orange, no, this red. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so to make it glow, go to render properties and make it, select this option here. It's called bloom, and this will bloom it up. I guess you can say that. Yeah, okay, so it looks quite nice already, I guess. Okay, now for the water part, go to shading tab and make sure you have selected the plane. Okay, now click on new here, and in here we're going to increase the metallic all the way up. Okay, specular also all the way up, and roughness all the way down. And you can see it's reflecting like crazy, but this is not how water looks. We have to add some ripples and waves to make it more realistic, I guess. So here, Shift A, texture and noise texture. Okay, so you want to connect this color node to this displacement node, and you can see it looks like water now. Well, almost like water. Well, it's good. Okay, so you can also modify this look by increasing the scale, right? Yeah, this looks like a bigger ocean now, bigger sea at least you can call it. Okay, so we're done with the water, I guess. So let's go back to rendered view. Click on this layout tab first, and we are in the rendered view now, and you can see that it's not reflecting the sun here. Why? Because we have yet to enable one more option, which is this one, screen space reflection. Enable it, and this will enable all the reflection here. And now it is reflecting properly. Now let's go back to camera view by pressing 0, and you can see it looks quite nice. I think we can move the camera a little bit more upwards. Okay, let's do that. Like this. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, this looks fine. Alright, so deselect it. And There you have it. And if you're wondering how to remove these outlines and cursor, just select this one. Click this one, I mean. Okay. So now we can adjust the sky here. Go to world properties and the color up here. You can make it whatever you want. You can make it green, whatever. I'm going to make it purple because it looks kind of good, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. There is your sunset in Blender. Thank you for watching.